Welcome to e-learning, subject work experience for class 2. I am your teacher, Miss Rabia. Today, let us begin with the new lesson 4, computer devices. But before, let us have a look at the learning objectives. You will be able to understand about different computer devices such as input devices, output devices, and storage devices that can be attached to the computer to do several different kinds of work. My dear children, you have learned about the parts of computer in your previous video. Let's move ahead and learn about computer devices. So what are computer devices? These are parts that can be attached to the computer to do several different kinds of work. Computer devices are mainly divided into 3 groups: input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Now, let us study about them one by one. Let us begin with input devices. The data and instructions that we enter into the computer are called inputs. The devices that help in entering these data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Some basic input devices are, let's begin with a keyboard. A keyboard is an input device which is used to type words and numbers into the computer. Next is a mouse. A mouse is an input device which is used to draw pictures and select objects on the monitor. It is also known as a pointing device. Next comes a joystick. A joystick is an input device which is used to play games on the computer. Next comes the microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record the voice and send it into a computer. Dear children, right now I am using a microphone to record my voice and send it into a computer in making this video for you all. Next comes the scanner. A scanner is an input device which is used to scan the images and send them to a computer. Now, dear children, let us move to other devices called as output devices. The result that comes out after processing the instructions is called output. The devices that help us in getting and viewing desired results are called output devices. Some basic output devices are, let's begin with a monitor. A monitor is an output device which is used to display the output on its screen. Information displayed on the monitor is called or referred to as a soft copy. Next is a printer. A printer is an output device which is used to give output on a paper called printout. The information that we get as a printout on the paper is called a hard copy. Remember, when the information is displayed on the monitor, it is called as a soft copy, whereas when it is printed on the paper with the help of a printer, it is called as a hard copy. Now, dear children, let us go and learn about the speakers. Speakers are most common output devices. They are used to give output in the form of sound. You can listen to music and other sounds from the computer with the help of speakers. Next, dear children, let us move to the other devices called as storage devices. Storage devices allows you to save your work for future use. A computer can store your work in different storage devices. Some commonly used storage devices are, let us begin with the hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device in a computer that can store large amount of data and information at a very fast speed. Next is a CD-ROM, stands for compact disk read-only memory. It is also used to store data. It is circular in shape. Next is a DVD. DVD stands for digital video disc. I repeat, digital video disc. It is similar to a CD in shape but has a larger storage capacity. The last is a pen drive. A pen drive is most commonly used as portable data storage device which is used to store data and information. My dear children, I hope you have understood about the different kinds of storage devices, input devices and output devices of a computer. Learning outcomes: you will be able to understand that keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and joystick are input devices through which we can enter data and instructions into a computer. Monitor, printer and speakers are output devices through which we can get the results or output. Hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD and pen drive are storage devices in which we can store our work. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Meet you all in the next video. Bye-bye.